my fusilli with pesto and green beans.
So I'm gonna start by cooking half a pound of my whole grain fusilli in some boiling salted water. So while that cooks, we are gonna get started on the sauce part of this. I'm gonna cook some green beans and some peas, but the interesting part is there are gonna be more vegetables in this pasta than there is gonna be pasta itself. So we're gonna add the shallot to the pan and a little bit of salt. We're also gonna add half a pound of green beans to that. We're gonna saute them with some shallot, a little salt, and we're gonna start softening these and sauteing them. Okay, green beans are cooking. We are going to add 10 ounces of peas. They add a little starch, they add a little sweetness. We're gonna add a little bit more salt, maybe a little bit more olive oil, just to give it a little more flavor. All right, let's check on our pasta, see if it's ready. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add the pasta directly in here. Some Parmesan cheese, of course, on top of the hot pasta. It melts all over the fusilli. Give that a quick toss, and then we'll add the pesto. And this kind of brings the whole dish together and creates like a sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of the pasta water just to help loosen up the pesto. You get like this very light green sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of ricotta just right on top. And the ricotta will just slowly melt into the pasta.